our literature conveys how education can help us to improve our confidence level in our life. This story about a small girl named Sulekha, also known as Boli. She is a girl who becomes self-dependent with the help of her teacher. However, with education, Sulekha gains the power to fight back against the evil dowry system. Scene 1. Tahsildar comes to village for opening ceremony of school.
Wow, what an amazing village! I am very proud to visit this village for the opening ceremony of your school. Hey Ramlal.
Greetings, sir. How are you?
I am fine, and what about you?
I'm also fine.
Let's do one thing. As a government officer in this village, you must set an example to the village people. So you must send your daughter to school.
Oh, yes, sure, sir. As a government official in this village, if I send my daughters to school, it will be the role model for everyone in this village. So, definitely I will send my daughters to school.
And Ramlal, you want to understand, education is most important to all women.
Yes, sir. Scene 2. Now, Ramlal discussed with his wife about send a daughter to school. Hey, my dear wife. I want to share you an important thing. That today I met Tahsildar in our village. He came for the opening ceremony of school. Oh, nice. Then what happened? He convinced me that we want to send our daughters to school. Are you crazy? If girls go to school, then who will marry them? Yes, but I cannot deputate to so many girls. What I can do? I'm so confused. Please give me some idea. Wait, I will give an idea. Shall we send Shamba to school? No, Shamba is very beautiful, so she can easily get married. Then Mangla? Mangla, she has not so much of knowledge, so no worries about her. Okay, our only choice is Boli. Yes, send Boli to school. Then there will be a little chance of her getting married with her ugly face and lack of sense. Let's see the thing about her. Oh yes, it's a great idea. Boli, come with me. I will take you to school. No, I won't go to school. Please leave me. Hey, what's the matter with you? Are you bored? No, I'm afraid. Please leave me. You're going to send me like a dog, Lakshmi. Hey, are you bored? I'm just taking you to school now. Come. Hey, wear her decent clothes. That's our prestige now. Yes, I will do it. Scene 3. Now Boli enters into school. She didn't have any idea about school. Boli, why are you sitting alone? You look so sad. No, I don't like to come to school. My sisters were enjoying at home and they were not educated. When my father forced me to come to school because of my need. Don't get scared, Boli. To be educated, you can get succeed in your life. Learning is creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge and knowledge makes you great. If you fail, never give up. Because failure is the first step in success. And failure will never overtake you. If the determination and level of strength is strong enough. Everybody does not have equal talent, but everybody has equal opportunity to develop their talents. Do you know one thing, Boli? Most of the women achievers are from India. Indira Gandhi, she is the first Prime Minister of India. Pratibha Patel, she is the first President of India. Marie Curie, she is the first woman scientist to get 2 Nobel Prizes. Myra Kumar, she is the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha. Kiran Bedi, she is the first woman IPS officer. And Subhash Chandran, she is the first woman disabled classical dancer. If they can, then you too, Boli. Yes, ma'am, you are right. Now I realize the importance of education, ma'am. Yeah, I'm glad that you understand. See, Boli, you have a lot of potential in yourself. And if you believe in yourself, you can definitely achieve. This is not only for Boli, but for all the women out in this world. If you are ready to learn today, you can lead the world tomorrow. Scene 4. After a few years, Ramlal decided to marry Boli to old age Vishambarnath. Hey my dear, I want to share you happy news. What? I got a proposal from Vishambarnath for marriage. For who? Maro Boli? Shall I accept that proposal? Yes, of course. Boli is very lucky to get such a rich proposal. He has big shop, own house. Moreover, he is not asking any dowry. That's right. But he is almost 40 to 50 years old. But our daughter Boli, she is just 15 years old. So
அது பிடி எடுத்துங்க
Only you are very lucky.
இங்க பாரு
Has rich proposal.
இது புள்ள இருக்கு
She is looking very ugly. I won't marry.
லைட்
So what? You are not young either. Your age is 45, but she is 50. Think about that. If you want to marry her, his father want to give me 50 lakh dowry.
What? 50 lakh? Oh my God. On the first you promised me that you will not ask any dowry. But now you are asking 50 lakh? How can I give? Please don't humiliate me. If you want, I will just give you 20 lakh.
No. I want only 50 lakh dowry. Or else keep your daughter with you. I won't marry her.
Okay, please. Please marry my daughter. I will give you 50,000 rupees. Please. Pitaji, don't give any dowry to him. I am not going to marry this man. Holy, are you crazy? Do you want to deceive your family? What a shameless girl. We all thought you were a harmless dumb cow. Yes, Mom. You all thought I was a dumb cow. That's why I wanted to hand you over to heartless patient. Holy, see. No one will ever marry you. Then what will we do with you? Don't worry, Pitaji. In your old age, I will serve you and mother, and I will become a teacher where I learn so much. Because in this stage, education is the important thing for me, and I am not going to marry anybody else now. Oh my daughter, Polly, you are right. But we make wrong decisions. We are wrong. You are correct, Polly. Now only we realize the mistake. Ma'am, am I correct?
Yes, of course, Polly, you are right. And today you proved yourself. Education is the first thing which gives confidence to everyone, and it is important more than anything. And you proved yourself. I am so proud of you. Like Boli, become confident and face world bravely. Children like Boli are special. They need to be constantly encouraged by parents, teachers, even by other relations. They must be taught to fight back against their handicap rather than accept it as fate. The success of every woman should be the inspiration of others. We should rise each other up.